Hello, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Tamiya TT-02R chassis kit. I bought this kit because I actually have a Tamiya Porsche body that I would like to put on top of it. Originally I had a TB04 chassis underneath this body, but I sold that off and now I need another chassis to take its place. Alright, so let's take a look at the box. Some of the features that it comes with or upgraded parts. The other side is just a handle, and it also shows what required parts are needed to get this running. So we take a look inside the box. Comes some slicks, parts tree, chassis, wheels, more parts trees, some more parts trees, foam bumper, bearings and parts. Some of the upgraded parts are in there. You can see the metal shaft and also the hub. Just stickers for the on and off switch. And the manual. And that's it. Thanks for watching.